with another unboxing. However, before I begin, I would like to share with you some of the not so commonly known facts about our solar system. So let's begin. Fact number 1. Our solar system was formed 4.6 billion years ago. Fact number 2. There are 8 planets in our solar system, not 9, because Pluto is the dwarf planet. Fact number 3. Neptune was the last planet to be discovered. Last planet to be discovered, huh? Fact number 4. Everyone knows about the Saturn's ring. So do I. But did you know that the Saturn's ring particles are almost entirely made up of water ice particles? That's interesting. Those were the fun facts that I wanted to share with you. Now let's start our unboxing, shall we? Got this Lego compatible toy from I Love Toys. So thank you I Love Toys for giving me this Lego compatible. So let's see what's on the box, shall we? So it has 418 pieces. Wow. And this is the multi-legged Guardian. And you can bend it up and down. And also they come with 2 free characters, and it is amazing. You can bend it up and down. You can open the hatch and put your little Lego men in it. This is the instruction manual, which will be needed for us to build. And here are the Lego pieces. Shop at edition.Toys on their Instagram or on their website and avail 20% discount on Wange rates until December 31st, 2020. You can also use this code to get a 10% discount. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and in the next video I'll be unboxing these and building these. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!